I'm here to show you how you can do it too. Now we're going to move straight into a sequence of 15 on each side, and this is going to target our shoulder. 1, 2, 3.
Angela does 3 sets of 15 reps of the anterior medial shoulder raises. Now the key is to make sure you get maximum range of motion on each movement and get the arms at or above shoulder level. Also, you want to switch arms immediately after you finish 15 reps.
Ready to start with our next move? Put your arm here at shoulder length, bent at the elbow, and we're going to extend outward for repetition of 10. This is going to elongate your tank top arms for that nice skinny tone look.
Angela is working both the shoulders and the biceps during this exercise because it requires the shoulder to fight against gravity and the dumbbell while at the same time getting the range of motion for the biceps to work as well.
9 and 10. Next, we're going to target the triceps, the underarm area. I call this an area that has the saddlebag syndromes, and this is how we're going to attack it. Right here, I'm just going to turn for you guys so you can see exactly how the motion goes. Because we're going to be doing 25 of these, and I want you to do them right. 1.
Proper body mechanics is key with isolating the triceps during this exercise. Make sure you get that perfect L with the wrist-elbow to shoulder ratio. The better you do with mechanics, the better this workout will be.
9, 10. To finish up our tank top arm sequence, we're going to do what I call an S-curve move. And this also, ladies, cinches our waistline. So we get that nice little sexy curve, right? What you're going to do is simply, for a count of 6 to 8, depending on what feels good or doesn't feel good to you. You can always add more. Just simply bend over and extend and back. It's a very small movement. Let's get started. 1.
Isolating the side of your abdominals is key in this exercise. So you want to really maximize the contraction on the end point of your range of motion.
5. 6.
Angela has you do 6 to 8 reps so you can really focus on your mechanics of this exercise.
Thanks for joining me, ladies. Now you can go out feeling fit and fabulous with your tank top arms. Here again, Angela Santopinto, your beautiful Miami